how are you? Today we are talking about my mom's daily routine. She does doing a lot of hard work and she is so beautiful. I love to her. You can also talking about anyone's and practice it. You can speak about their daily routine about your fathers, brothers, sister and anyone and try to speak in English. Let's start to speaking about daily routine. Then you like these videos and click on the subscribe button if you are notice these videos we are uploaded. Whenever we are talking about present tense, that time we use verb first form. If we use a subject he, she, it with verb first form plus yes. And whenever we are talking about ourselves, that time we use only verb first form. I would like to speak about my mom's daily routine. So I talk about my mom. So I use the C subject plus verb first form plus yes. So I can start it. She gets up early in morning about 5:30 o'clock. Then she wash her face. After that she clean to house and then she takes a bath. After that she dressed up. After that she worships to God and she makes tea and she makes breakfast to all. After that she serves to tea and breakfast to all. She takes breakfast and tea. After that she cleans to clothes and put to dry. After that she makes two tiffin for me and my father. Me and my father leave to house around 10 o'clock. Then she prepare a lunch for herself and my grandpa. Then she serve to lunch and she takes lunch. After that she leaves to house for a job. She does doing a lot of hard work and then she leaves job place around 5:30 o'clock. Then she comes back to home and then she makes tea for all. Then she prepare dinner and then she serves to dinner to all. After that she spends some time with us. After that she makes a bed and she looks mobile for some time. After that she goes to sleep. She is so beautiful and lovely. She loves to me and I love to her also. Thank you so much watching this video. Please practice for speaking and try to speak about your daily routine about anyone like your mothers and fathers, brothers, sister, anyone. You can speak about their daily routine. Thank you so much watching these videos and all the best.